in front of a multicultural center and say something like this. They have to be mentally incompetent. Well, something's got to be off upstairs.
Hey, I got your word for it.
Ignoramus. The word of the day, kids, is ignoramus. It means moron. Yeah, dumbass. That's what you and your friend imbecile.
I'm driving by your house and it's got me all in my head. And there's so much I wanna say, but I never send a text. I know that I left you over something, but maybe I got it wrong. I'm driving by your house and there's only one thing I know. Cause babe, when I see a starry sky on a summer night, or still thinking of, I know that every time I'm in the car and I hear that song, baby, I'm still feeling you. So tell me, what else can I do? Oh, I wonder all the time. So tell me, what else can I do? Oh, I try to clean my mind, but baby, I still think of you. I turn on the TV and I'm watching the shows you like. Then I'm talking to my mom and she says your name every time. I know that I left you over something, but maybe I got it wrong. So what am I to do when there's only one thing I know? Cause baby, when I see a starry sky on a summer night, or still think of you, I know that every time I'm in the car and I hear that song, baby, I'm still feeling you. So tell me, what else can I do? Oh, I wonder all the time. So tell me, what else can I do? Oh, I try to clean my mind, but baby, I still think of you. Friday night and I'm home alone. I lay in bed with nowhere to go, but I won't sleep, I already know I'll be thinking of you. Cause baby, when I see a starry sky on a summer night, or still think of you, I know that every time I'm in the car and I hear that song, baby, I'm still feeling you. So tell me, what else can I do? Oh,